farm friends! Today we are going to create a derpy doodle of a wolf. All you need is a piece of paper and a pencil. Okay, let's start with art. This wolf character has been in my mind for quite some time, so I'm really excited to get it out on paper. This is our third Derpy Doodle in the Woodland Animal series, and I'm really excited about it. It's very derpy. So, for the wolf's face, we're going to try a different shape than we've been doing. It's very long compared to the other faces that we've been drawing. So we're going to start right about here on our paper, do a diagonal line down, curve it, come back up, curve around at the top, and then meet. So it's kind of like a triangle, a long triangle that's rounded on the corners. Then we're going to make some ears. Just curved lines. I like these ears a little more. These are a little rounded. These are a little pointed. Kind of depends on what kind of shape you want for your ears. Then we're going to add our nose down here. Kind of a rounded sort of rectangle. Color it in. We're going to add our derpy eyes. So we're going to do a upside down U shape, another upside down U shape, and a little dot. And then a full circle with a little dot going up. Very derpy. Next we're going to add the teeth and the tongue of our wolf. So I'm going to add a tooth here and a tooth here. And then I'm going to do a curved line, come back up, put a line in it for the tongue. And I'm going to add two more teeth. And to do those teeth, I just did two little lines, kind of like a little pointed triangle. Just like that. That is a very derpy wolf. Next, we're going to add the body of the wolf. So we're going to do a curved line kind of right underneath the nose here. It's going to curve down. And then it's going to straighten like that to form some of the leg. When we get down to the bottom, we're going to do 4 little circles for the foot or the toes, and then we're going to do a straight line up, just like that. We're going to try the same thing on this side. We're going to start this side of the body right by this tooth, curved out a little, curved line, then it's going to come down and straighten into the leg. We're going to do 4 little circles for the foot, and come back up here with a straight line. Now we can see some of the back feet, so we're going to draw those in as well. We're going to put a little curved line here for the belly, and you can see the 2 back feet kind of peeking through, and we're going to add those in. Very small lines, so just a little line down, maybe 2 circles for that toe or that foot sticking out back there. We're going to do the same thing over here, but we're going to do it after we draw the tail. So let's draw the tail. The tail is kind of a zigzaggy line. I'll show you how I do that. So I kind of do one line, go back a little, go up, back, up, back, up. All right, I'm going to try that on this side of the tail now. I'm going to go down, go out a little, come down, go out a little, come down, go out a little, and then connect it to the body. It's like a zigzag, almost like a flame kind of line. Now that I have that, I'm going to finish this last leg back here. I'm going to draw a line down, just 2 little toes, and that's the back leg of our wolf. Now, we need to put our wolf in an environment. So I just chose kind of like a hill line to draw, a wavy line here, like that. I put some rocks for some texture, like he's on maybe a nature trail path or something like that. And then I did some pine trees in the back. This is a different type of pine tree than other derpy doodles that we've done. So I'll show you how to do that. So you're going to do a diagonal line down and another diagonal line down like you'd be making a triangle. Except instead of making it straight across, you're going to do a curved line. So you actually drew kind of a cone shape. Then we're going to do the next layer of the tree. Diagonal line, diagonal line, and a curved line to connect. Okay, one more time, diagonal line, curved line to connect, and then we can put the tree trunk, 2 lines down. If you ever need to pause the video, you can, and then jump back in with us. Let's do another tree. This one's gonna be a little tricky because the tail is here, so it's gonna go off the paper a little bit. So we're gonna do a line down, diagonal line down, curve where they meet. So I made my first cone shape. Then I'm gonna have to stop because the tail is here. So I'm gonna just do a diagonal to the tail, diagonal to the edge of my paper, and right about here, I'm gonna do a curved line to show the bottom of that tree section. We're gonna do the same thing one more time. Diagonal line here. This time I can barely get that diagonal line. It's gonna go right off the paper, and then a curved line for the bottom of the tree, and 2 lines down for the tree trunk. And that is how I would draw a derpy doodle of a wolf. I hope you had fun making this. Remember, with art, you just have to start.